Hi guys, welcome to the Grace Life. So I'm so excited. So today's the day we pick a winner for the giveaway, guys, and these are the items that are going to be placed in the box. Okay, now if we go back to the rules, okay, these are the names right here, but if we go back to the rules, what I had asked you to say, to do in the videos, I asked you to subscribe to my channel, and then I asked you to head on over to my Instagram and follow me over there. And then for fun's sake, I wanted you guys to comment with an avocado emoji. Okay, so these are the names that I got off of there. So I'm going to call them out. And so what we're going to do is we're going to do this the old-fashioned way. We're going to place, my son is going to go ahead and place the names, fold them up and place them in the box. We're going to close the box, very simple and easy. We're going to shake the box up and he's going to draw a name and hand it to me. Okay, so let me call the names out. Okay, so we have Shelby's Cray Cray Girl. I like that. Okay, then we have Donna Platt. So I hope I say that right, guys. Forgive me if I don't pronounce your names correctly. Then we have Tynetta Mahone. Okay, then we have Petal's Corner, Petal is Bless. Then we have Money Saving Megan. Then we have Brandy Honaker. I hope I said that correctly. Sorry, Brandy, if I didn't. Okay, then we have Hilda Jura, Jura. So, guys, these are the names that were on the list that followed all the rules. So, like I said, my son will fold these up, and then he's going to place it in the box. We're going to shake the box up, and he's going to draw the winner and hand me the paper. So, here we go. I wish you guys luck. I'm so excited. Let's go. Okay, got them all in there. Close the box and let's shake it up. We'll count to 10 as you're shaking. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's draw the name. Okay, so now, all right, let's see who the lucky winner is. Shelby's Cray Cray Girl. Yay! I'm so happy for you. Okay, Shelby. Okay, so this is what I want you to do. So, we are going to give you 48 hours from now till, so this is going to be Sunday by 3 o'clock to respond to me. I'm going to comment below my email, so I need you to email me your address. If I don't hear from you by 3 o'clock on Sunday, I'm going to have to do a redrawing. So I hope I hear from you. Guys, let me tell you about another giveaway. So Shelby, congratulations. And guys, those of you who didn't win, there's more coming. So I'm going to be having an end of summer giveaway. So that's going to be coming up really soon. So, you know, I feel bad. I wish I could give everybody something, but once again, thank you so much for supporting my channel. This is actually really fun. I'm enjoying this. So those of you who did not win in this giveaway, again, look forward to an upcoming giveaway, because I'll be announcing another one. So guys, congratulations, Shelby, for winning. And guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel, like, comment below, and I will see you in the next one.